So this one is a little bit higher price tag. It's upping the other one by about $200. This is the 25L, not the 30L. So it's got a Ryzen 7 3700X. Let's see where that falls in the hierarchy. Hold on, we got a bunch of other ones here. Oh, yeah. We're still down here in the Zen 2 range. This is really good. You're not top 10 or anything like that, but you're not far off. You're going to be here. I think we're down too far. Hold on. We should get some. Yeah, we should get some 1440p scores. So when you're looking at these two scores for your CPU here, this first one, this is 1080p. This is 1440p. So you've actually got a better 1440p score. So if you were looking for a system to game 1440p on, this is a good processor for that. Let's see. The second thing I think I would want to look at on it is, let's see here. There's a 20L, the 37. I guess the 3070. Nice. So I mean, 3070, you're going to be in good hands. Clearly, 3070, you're up here in the top GPUs. So right here, you're in the top 7, in the top 10. Top 10. Getting a 3070 is great. Those things right now, like I said before, on eBay are running, I'm looking at it right now, $1,350 is the top one here. So you're getting $1,300 card. And I think the 3000 line is only going to be getting better. The thing about this system that you linked me, 2 terabytes NVMe SSDs, so your most modern SSDs. So that'll be very, very good. 32 gigabytes of RAM. 1 second, let me go over to another screen here where I take a look at some additional specs. 32 gigabytes of RAM, that's great. Oh, is this really the same? You can step it down to 1 terabyte down to be in our 2300 price range. They're getting you there a little bit, I would say. But if you got the money for the extra storage space and you feel that you need it, this one, if we were to compare this one to one of the ones I was looking at earlier, I would say that let me pull it up. Let's compare it real quick. That Thermaltake one I found. This one, is just a little bit better. You're paying $200 more with that Omen 25L than this Thermaltake one. And what you're losing is kind of important. You are sacrificing CPU, your processor. So you're downgrading from, highlight it here. You're downgrading from the Ryzen top 4, or that's a 5600, right? Let's see. Yeah. You're downgrading from a the number 5 CPU on the market. Like, you're actually like up here. You have a part of this system that is like not just mid-tier, but high tier. This is high tier. You're downgrading by about 20% down here. This one. So you're paying $200 more, but you're getting 20% less processor. And you're getting more RAM and more hard drive space. So you're getting 16 gigabytes more RAM, and you're getting 1 terabyte more SSD hard drive space. Also, I think you're getting a more modern SSD. Oh, no, it's the same. No, it's still NVMe. So it's still both modern in each one. So, what's your name here? is Ishmael. Take your pick. Do you want to pay $200 more for 16 gigabytes more of RAM and 1 terabyte more hard drive space? I would argue that that's not worth it for sacrificing the CPU. I would say, and I'll highlight it again, this Thermaltake build is better than that 30L. Or sorry, you were looking at the 25L. This deal. This deal is better. I'm gonna write it on the screen. And the Hillman 25L, what we're calling that one? Yeah. It has 20% better CPU, and you save $200. That's pretty much it. What you're losing out on is, I should make those pluses, not minuses. If you want to weigh your pros and cons, the cons would be you're losing out on 1 terabyte of SSD disk space. And you're losing out on, what's the other item? Oh, the RAM. Yeah, you're losing out 16 gigabytes of RAM. So how would the RAM affect? You're also losing out. So RAM for games, you know, without getting like super technical, RAM helps you just store temporary data or random access memory, right? So games a lot of the time will use this to store shaders, you know, so you don't have to rebuild graphical shaders every time. This is one thing. 32 gigabytes could lead to some faster loads, some more seamless graphic fidelity, but arguably 16 gigabytes for modern games has been great. Needing more than 16 gigabytes. Oh, I realize that that's way over there. Let me move my Brio cam a little bit. Having more than 16 gigabytes of RAM, I think it's diminishing returns. Like, you're not getting that much more value, really. The time you would want that much more memory RAM is if you're rendering video live, if you're using like Adobe After Effects, or you're like a graphics designer or a video animator, or you're using 3D modeling programs like Blender, or Maya or something like that. You know, RAM is going to be a lot more important for you. For games, 16 gigabytes is like the sweet spot. You don't really need more than that, but having less is probably not super great either, but you can get away with it. Will you see some benefit? Sure. Is it worth losing 20% CPU using? I don't think so. I think that the Thermaltake one is a better deal, personally. Okay, cool.